Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the CRF. So first we know the full form of CRF. So CRF is a case report form, and in this video I am going to discuss about the definition of CRF, information of CRF, purpose of CRF, and who is responsible for the filling of CRF form, as well as whom we are going to hand over that CRF form, and who is responsible for the reviewing of that CRF. So all this information I am going to discuss in this video. So I am starting with the definition of CRF. So first we discuss about the CRF definition. So CRF is a printed or optical or electronic document designed to record all the protocol required information to be reported to the sponsor on each trial subject, and it is mainly followed by, or it is mainly prepared from ICH and GCP guideline and GVP guideline. So basically the CRF, it is a case report form which we fill during the clinical research when we perform a experiment or the exposure of our drug and their result, which we record in the case report form. So the data is generated during the clinical trial experiment, so that data we file in the CRF form. So this is the basic definition of the CRF. So now we are going to discuss about the what is the meaning of CRF. So what is actual CRF? So CRF is one of the essential document, which are that documents that individually and collectively permit evaluation on conduct and quality of the trial. So CRF is also a type of a protocol require information form that we follow during the clinical trial or clinical research. So it is basically part of protocol as well as IB and ICF. So IB means investigational brochure. So CRF is a extract most important data from source document for data entry as well as analysis, and the source document are originally documents data and record, example hospital records, x-ray records, and subject diaries and laboratory notes, and ECG means a report of ECG. So the basic data we generated during the clinical trial. So we file that all data, or we record all data in the CRF format, means in CRF means case report form. So this is nothing but the form which we fill when we conduct any clinical research. So the data which is most important for the filing to the regulatory authority for the submission of NDA application. So for that we use a CRF form to record that essential data which is generated during the clinical trial. So CRF is generally supplied by sponsor, means it is prepared by sponsor and supplied all the clinical research team for the analysis or the recording of data generated during clinical trial, and it is a capture all data specified in the protocol. So protocol contain all the outline or the information regarding the clinical research. So any essential requirement that we already submitted in a protocol to the health authority or FDA. So all the data which we recorded as per the protocol in the CRF. So this is about the basic meaning of CRF as well as the function of CRF. So CRF is a form or a document that we file during the clinical trial for the collection and the reporting of essential data which is generated during the clinical trial. So this is about the CRF. So there are two type of filing of CRF mainly. So filing of CRF is mainly two type. Paper CRF filing means we file the all data which are generated during the clinical trial on paper format, means paper page, and another one is electronic data entry or remote data capture, means we file or we record the data which are generated during clinical trial on the electronic format or the database which we already prepared for the clinical trial experiment. So this is about the paper format. So basically nowadays we use the electronic data entry, means electronic format of electronic filing of the CRA form, and it is another name is remote data capture. So this is the most frequently used or most CRO companies use nowadays remote data capture filing for the CRF file. So this is about the CRF filing. So input team means who input the CRF or who file the or who fill the CRF form. So firstly the input team includes investigator, means the investigator which are involved in the clinical trial, who are responsible for the input the any entry or any result of any experiment in the CRF. Next one is a data manager, who is also responsible for entry for doing entry on the in the CRF form. And third one is the clinical investigator site staff, means the staff which is involved in the clinical research, who is also responsible for the filling of the CRF form. And medical person, a barcode reader, and a specialty role, any person who is in a specialty role in clinical trial, who is also responsible for the filling of the case report form. So this is the input team, means the team who is actually input any information or data in the CRA form. So output 2 means whom we are going to hand over that what we can CRF. So the main first one is a CRO, means contract research organization, whom we are going to hand over this CRF field CRF form, case report form. And next one is a sponsor, who is also responsible for as a output team, who is also receive this CRF form. And next third one is the IRB and IEC. So we filled CRF form for the IEC and IRB approval or any requirement as per the IRB. So IRB and IEC committee also includes under the output team, means they are also going to review that CRF form. And next one is the FDA. So FDA is also going to review that all the CRF which are generated during the clinical trial. So they, because of that, they are included under the output team, means they are reviewing that CRF. So next one is the review team. So who is mainly responsible for the reviewing of the CRF form. So first one is the project clinicians, means the principal investigator who is also responsible for the reviewing the CRF form. And next one is the lead CRA. So clinical research associate is also one person who is responsible for the reviewing the CRA, any error or variations which are needed to improve. So they review the CRA and they will make that variations or make that changes in particular CRF form. So third one is the statistician and programmer and lead data manager. These person are also responsible for the reviewing the CRF form. So this is basic about the CRF. So we discussed in this video about the definition of CRF and what is the purpose of CRF and what is the meaning of CRF and information of CRF. So and who is responsible, who is prepare CRF, and whom we hand over that CRF, and who is responsible for the reviewing of that CRF. So this is basic information about the CRF. So thank you guys.